Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the transition effect in CapCut PC. So there is a new pro effect. You can go to transition and on the trending you can find the train pro effect. This is the transition effect. You can add the track and you can adjust for the duration right here and apply to all the clip. So you can see for the piano effect, yeah, this is the train transition effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Uh, but this is the pro effect. You can join pro first to be able to use this effect. Yeah. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.